Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Matt and I just want to shoot this video to talk about email processing for cash. So a lot of people on my list have been emailing me and asking me if email processing for cash actually works or if it's some kind of scam. So first of all, I just want to say email processing for cash is actually a system that really does work. You can make money online with it, and I make money with email processing for cash. It's actually one of the easiest systems you can use online to make extra money. If you're looking to make a little extra money online, you've probably come across lots of network marketing programs and multi-level marketing programs and all these systems where you have to pay into monthly, and email processing for cash is not a system like that. So pretty much with email processing for cash, all you have to do is pay your initial $25 to get access to the system and marketing materials, where you'll get your direct access into the members area. And it's actually going to take you step by step and hold you by the hand and really just show you how you can make money with email processing for cash. So there's lots of reasons why you might want to use this system. First of all, the economy is just terrible and it's hard to find jobs out there right now. In fact, just about 2 years ago now, I actually lost my job in corporate America. I got fired from my job, and that's when I turned to the internet to start making money online. And pretty much ever since then, it's been about almost 2 years now, I've been able to make a full-time living on the internet. And email processing for cash is one way that I make money online. So you can definitely make money with this, and it's really a program that's just easy for newbies to making money online. If you've never been able to make any money online and you're just not familiar with how to build web pages, you're not familiar with all the technical aspects like follow-up series, email autoresponders, and you don't want to call people, do cold calls and this sort of stuff. Email processing for cash, you don't have to know any of this stuff, and it's really just a straight to the point, forward program where all you have to do is pay your initial $25, and then you'll get immediate access to the back office area. And actually, when you click the link below this video here in particular, and buy through my link to email processing for cash, I have a special bonus package where I give a little bit extra training and bonus material to really help you hit the ground running and start making money right away with email processing for cash. So, if you're looking for a way to start making a little bit of passive income online, whether you just want to make a couple extra $100 per day while you're still working a job, or you're actually looking to replace your income with a full-time internet marketing kind of gig, email processing for cash is one way that you can get started almost immediately and not have to worry about paying any monthly recurring billing or anything like this. You're not going to get put on auto bill or any of this stuff like some of the multi-level marketing or network marketing companies out there. Like I said, email processing for cash is straight to the point, and I really can't think of an easier program to get started with. So if you're interested, just click the link below this video and it'll take you over to the next page where you can actually just punch in your name and email, and it's going to link you over to the next page where you sign up for email processing for cash. And then make sure you enter the right name and email into the opt-in form, because that's how I'm going to send you my extra bonuses and training material and show you really how you can start leveraging the internet to make a lot of money online. In my past 2 years online, I've had multiple five-figure months online. My best month online to date is about $30,000 in 1 month, and that's all income generated from the internet. So, I'm going to link you over to some bonus material and show you how I've been able to achieve such extraordinary income while really just not even, ever since I got fired from my job in corporate America, not only has my income gone up substantially, but I work a lot less as well. And that's just all through the power of the internet and automation. So you're going to get a taste of this real quick with email processing for cash, and really just see how you can leverage the internet to start making a ridiculous amount of money. you know, if you do things the right way, which I'm going to show you how to do, you seriously can just absolutely crush it on the internet. And you know, email processing for cash is one of the easiest ways to get started online. So, you know, that being said, I just wanted to give you a quick email processing for cash review and just, you know, let you know that it really is a legit program and you can make money with it, and I make money with it all the time. So, you know, like I said, click the link below the video, enter your name and email address, and I'm going to send over that bonus material. And you know, I'll also send over like some screenshots of income proof and really just show you how this system works. And then, you know, after you enter your email into the opt-in form on the next page, it'll link you over to the next page where you can actually purchase the email processing for cash system for just a one-time payment of $25. And right after that, you'll be taken into the members area where it's going to give you step-by-step instructions and just show you how you can really hit the ground running right now today, you know, whether it's midnight or 6 in the morning or noon, whatever. You're sitting at work, you're looking for jobs, whatever. You can get started with email processing for cash immediately as soon as you pay your $25 to get access to the system. So, you know, that being said, my name is Matt Polinsky. I just wanted to do this quick video here. So, signing out now. I'll see you on the other side. Click the link below the video, and let's get started today and rock this. All right.